Hey, yo, what's going on? You're looking to try to figure out how to get some movies, TV shows, live sports, all available on your Amazon Fire TV stick? First thing we're going to need to do is download a little program called Downloader. So if you go to your search icon, pull down and hit the select button on your remote, we can type in Downloader, D-O-W-N, or if you have the Alexa voice, you can click on the button and say Downloader. Click on Downloader, and Downloader is this orange icon. Downloader will let us download applications that aren't available on your Amazon Fire TV stick. Let's click on Downloader. Here it says I already own it, you may not, so get it, download it, and install it. Okay, before we open the app, let's head back to our home screen. So press the home button on our remote, the little house icon. And here we can head all the way to the far right to the settings icon. Under settings, we're going to come down to My Fire TV. Click on My Fire TV. And then here I have developer options listed. You may not. And if you do not, no worries. Just go up, highlight About, and use your remote to select. And then here it says Fire TV Stick. Use your remote, use the center select button 7 to 10 times. Here it says no need, I'm already a developer. And now it says congratulations, now you're a developer. Enjoy. You've just jailbroken our Amazon Fire TV stick. Now that developer options is enabled, open it up and we can turn on ADB debugging, and under install unknown apps, turn on Downloader, and then head back to the home screen. I would highly suggest to protect your online activity and security. When using some of these applications that we're going to download from the store, in order to do this, download a VPN. Check out the best VPN on the market. Type in IPVanish. IPVanish should come up fairly quickly there. IPVanish, the number one VPN I would recommend. We can click on IPVanish, and again, if you don't already own it, get it and then download it and install it. Now let's head to the home screen and let's find Downloader to find these applications. Highlight the 3 squares plus sign for your apps and games section. As you can tell, we have Downloader and IPVanish loaded up. Let's click on Downloader. Allow Downloader to access photos, media, and files on our device. We can say OK. And then we just click our remote select button once, click on it twice, and here we go. Now on this keyboard, we're just going to type in a quick shortcut: 5, 4, 6, 8, 3, 5, and this will send us to the Led by the Unknown website download page. Once this 5-second redirect is completed, use the 3-line button on our remote and we can save this page, add current page to favorites. And on the left bar there, we'll be able to access the store at any point. So with the page loaded up, we can come down. Here's the first one right here. Downloads, click on it. It sends us to the downloads page and we're ready to go. In the downloads page, we do have the top 5 applications for your device, some how-tos, some extra videos that you may want to watch on how to access some other applications. So let's head down. Guys, if you haven't logged in already to IPVanish, get out your phone, take a shot of this QR code, and get yourself a nice little 80% discount on IP Vanish today. Now under the movies and TV shows, live TV streaming app section, we got a bunch of applications we can download. Awesome, Freevee, Pluto, Zumo, DAZN, ESPN, much more further up. But let's just do a quick little demo. We can click on like Fossum. Down the bottom right, highlight install. And then we're going to click done. And we can delete the application file. And guys, you can do this for all the other apps that are available within this section. And then delete again. Let's go back to our home screen. Now that these applications are all downloaded, let's go to our 3 squares plus sign icon. And first thing first, before we open up these applications, now let's log into IP Vanish. Guys, if you don't already have your own personal login, please use the description below or get out your phone and scan that QR code that's popped up on your TV. In order to log in, we type in our email. And our password. Once we have logged in, we can come down to the little map icon symbol, click on it. You can always do fastest available, but I like to find myself placed in the United States. So we can come all the way down to the end here, find United States, click on it, set it as our favorites, and then we can click on it and connect to the United States. Connection request, say OK. We are now located in the United States. Couple options here in the settings icon. We can click on it. And if you want this to run all the time, we can turn it on during connection at startup. We can do some split tunneling, which gives us the ability to enable or disable certain applications. And we can manage our apps. So if you have Netflix and you don't want the VPN to disrupt it, you can click on Netflix. And disable it from being covered by IP Vanish. Or you can connect it on, up to you. And of course we have a shortcut, auto connect on launch. If we lose connection to our internet, the VPN will not disconnect, and so on. So we're now connected. Let's go to the home screen. Back under your apps and games section, we can use like our 3-line button on our remote, move it to the front for Fossum, same with IP Vanish, and of course our App Store. Move it to the front. There we go. So when we're on our home screen, there will be the top listed items in a shortcut menu here, and you can change it however you wish. Okay, enjoy. Peace.